Are you tired of struggling with food waste and uneven cooking results in your kitchen? Well, I've got some shocking news for you about the Breville Fresh and Furious that might just change everything. But here's what surprised me when I first started using it. It's not just a blender, but an entire food system designed to make meal prep easier than ever. However, as I dug deeper into its features, I realized that this product is more than meets the eye. It has a plethora of settings and functions that can help you tackle even the most daunting kitchen tasks. So, if you're wondering what sets this product apart from other blenders on the market, keep watching because we're about to dive into some game-changing details. But before I reveal all its secrets, let me ask you, are you tired of spending hours prepping for meals only to have them go to waste? Do you struggle with uneven cooking results that leave you feeling frustrated? The Breville Fresh and Furious is designed to tackle these very issues head-on. With its advanced features and user-friendly interface, it's no wonder why this product has been flying off the shelves on Amazon. But let me get back to what I was saying earlier. The real game changer here is the precision temperature control. This feature allows you to cook your food to perfection every time, ensuring that you never have to deal with overcooked or undercooked meals again. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does it actually work? Well, let me break it down for you in simple terms. The Fresh and Furious has a built-in thermometer that monitors the temperature of your food as it cooks. This information is then used to automatically adjust the cooking time and temperature, ensuring that your food is cooked just right. But wait, there's more. This product also comes equipped with a variety of preset settings for different types of food. From slow-cooked stews to perfectly roasted vegetables, you'll be able to achieve professional-grade results in no time. As we dive deeper into the features of this product, I want to highlight one crucial aspect: its ability to help you reduce food waste. With the Fresh and Furious, you can create a variety of dishes from even the most basic ingredients. Now, let's talk about the actual performance of the Breville Fresh and Furious. But before we get into that, I have a question for you. What would you rather do with your free time? Spend it prepping meals or enjoying quality time with loved ones? The answer is clear. With the Breville Fresh and Furious on your side, you can finally take back control of your kitchen and focus on what really matters. But enough about theory, let's get into some real-life results. As I mentioned earlier, this product has a plethora of settings and functions that make it an all-in-one solution for your kitchen needs. One of the most impressive features is its ability to chop, slice, and dice ingredients with precision. This means you can say goodbye to tedious prep work and hello to more free time. However, as we know, no product is perfect, and I've found a few areas where the Fresh and Furious falls short. For instance, some users have reported issues with the precision temperature control feature. Now, don't get me wrong, these issues are relatively minor compared to the overall performance of this product. And let's be real, who wouldn't want to invest in a kitchen appliance that can help them save time and money? But if you're still on the fence about whether or not to buy this product, I have one final question for you. What's holding you back? Are you willing to continue living with subpar cooking results and food waste, or are you ready to take control of your kitchen? The choice is clear. The Breville Fresh and Furious is an investment worth making if you want to elevate your cooking game and reduce food waste. So, for the best price on this amazing product, be sure to click the link in the description below. And as a final note, don't forget that with great power comes great responsibility. Use this product wisely.